17, negative 23, 40, 0. I don't like that row.
That's my favorite.
Is it? I need to make a 1. But before we do that, how about we make one of those zeros? That's be 0 anyway. Save myself a little fraction work. Yes, no? Let's get rid of this one. Let's go negative R1 plus R3. Save myself a little bit of fraction work. So that'll give me 0, 12, negative 24, 37. Thought I was going to like this row, but I guess not. 0. Is that correct?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now let's go ahead and do 1/2 R1. I need calculus. This might get messy. Let's say I have 1, 5 halves, 1/2. Of course, they're all odd. 3 halves, 0. Okay, now what? Okay, where would that be easiest? Middle. 1/2 R2. There's 0, 1, negative 2, 3, 0. It's not pretty. Well, let's work on making that 12 be a 0. What do I have to do there? 12 R2 plus R3. Avoiding those fractions as much as I can. That give me 0, 0, ooh, 0. Let's see. 1,
Yeah, buddy.
0. Wait! And that just solves W? W 0. Look at that. Isn't that nice? This is not a no solution case. That says W equals 0, which is perfectly okay, right?
Yeah.
If it said 0 equals 1, that's a problem. Okay, so let's work on that. So let's go negative 5 halves R2 plus R1. Copy the other rows down. Okay, so give me 1, 0. Let's see, when I multiply, ooh, that's not bad. No, wait, no, I spoke too soon. Multiply those, I'll get 5 plus a half is 11 halves. Sure hope it is, right? 5 1/2. Okay, so here, let's see, I'll get negative 15 halves. Let me do some side work here. I need to see it. Negative 15 halves plus 3 halves. Negative 12 halves, which is negative 6. That's not bad.
Oh, yeah.
And that's 0 still, right? Well, hey. Almost all REF, isn't it? Column done, column done. This doesn't need to be zeros because it doesn't have a leading 1, right? But these need to be zeros. So I'm going to do 6 R3 plus R1. One, 0, 11 halves still, 0, 0. This one looked pretty nasty, but it's not too bad. Kind of got down there. So now negative 3 R3 plus R2. Okay, is that an RREF?
Yeah.
Sure is, which means I'm done. So, is this a no solution case? Is it an infinite solution case?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have a column that doesn't have a leading one, right? Does everyone see that? What column is that? Z. So Z is T.
It's always Z.
It seems to be, yeah. Pesky Z. Okay, so the first row says x plus 11 halves t, because Z is now T, equals 0. So x is negative 11 halves t. Second row says y minus 2t equals 0. So y equals 2t. And the third row says w equals 0. W doesn't depend on t. It's just 0, no matter what. Okay, so here we go. Let's write this up. How would I write this? Infinitely many solutions of the form. Oh, thank you. Okay, x is negative 11 halves t, y is 2t, z is t, w 0. Do not forget, t is any real number. Boom.